Because when you cultivate your energy, when you're developing your energy, you become attractive to other energy. You know, as the greater you resonate, you vibrate, the brighter your light, the more you're going to attract.
The more,
That attraction can be both positive and negative, you know, and so you can also, in cultivating that, be very open, but you can also then attract, as you experience that feeling of, you know, some disharmony.
yeah,
But equally, there are places in the planet that have experienced a lot of tragedy over time. That dark energy is still there in some way. That can affect you. The spirits that are attracted to that will resonate with that. That can affect you. That can be very unhelpful, very bad. Maybe, you know, mental illness, psychosis, physical illness, stuff like that. You know, and so there has to be an opening when
mm,
you practice, but there equally has to be a closing.
yeah,
Consciously closing, you know, your flow is like going, okay, I'm cultivating, but now I'm putting, now this is my boundary. You know, that's important.